woman and a mother of four, and also a wife of a pastor. So it's so heartbreaking to see another man taking advantage of my wife, abusing her in a certain way that it's awful. Like, first of all, he broke our deal that we had for Mama to do the collaboration. And I trusted them. That's why I sent Mama, because there's no way that I could have taken away, Kupia Kule Kinshasa due to my work. That's why Mama came by herself. But I trusted them that they will do the collaboration and she will come back home. But we overspended over the trip. The ticket, the money for the collaboration and all that, and which could have been, the money that we could have put in our house just to support my 4 little girls. But we invested that for the collaboration, which is a very heartbreaking. So, as a Christian and as a man of God, you can forgive, but what about the damage that has been placed? Because Mama here, she's psychologically, mentally, spiritually, she just messed up. Iko chini sana. Like, it is affecting me as a man in the house as well, and as a mother of my 4 kids, because she's not okay. For all the things that she have done, for all what we have done, and in order to put for this project, it just went in vain. So, as a human, I came up, thinking a lot in regard to this. I thought a lot. I said, no. We invested a lot in this, and Mama came back empty-handed with no collaboration, with humiliation and insult on top of that. So, which means, there's nothing, we can't lose anything. As human, we can't really lose anything, because you guys have to do something in regard to all the expenses and everything that we did in regard to Mama to go there. Because if Mama went to Kinshasa, it was about that collaboration. She's a hardworking woman. She spent all that time, which would have been at work, just, doing all, waiting and then receive, the heartbreaking on top of that. Extending the flight just for the sake of the collaboration to happen. I've been so stressed up, going to work, taking care of my 4 little girls, just because of the collaboration. So, and then on top of that, them thinking that, Mama, it was a plan of Mama to do all that, it really break my heart, and that's why I said they have to pay for the damage that they have caused. Because how can my own wife plan for that kind of evil? A wife of a man of God.
First of all, Papa, I would like just to apologize because I see that you're very hurt.
Very hurt, Mama.
Yeah, I see that you're very hurt, and I want to apologize because all of this has happened, and we are here to find a solution where your wife can be kept, her reputation and everything, her career can be, restored and everything. The message you've given me, I see that is very clear, and I'll try my best because here it's around now 2 a.m., and I don't know what is the time now in Australia.
In Australia, it is almost 6. It is 5:41.
Yeah, I don't know if you're gonna go to work today or no.
No, I won't go to work because I just came back from work. So tomorrow I won't have work. I'll be free.
Yes, I'll try to because my husband is gonna go to work in about uh like 3 hours.
Yeah.
So after that, I'm gonna call you freely so that we find a solution to this, and
Yes.
so that your message is passed clearly, and so that because for me, I spoke to Mama, I tried to comfort her. She wrote to me yesterday, she's very depressed and everything, and I tried to make her feel comfortable because, you know, I understand what happened, and she told me that Pauline, the only person I sent that thing was Prince. That's what she told me. And I said, I heard something like you sent to another pastor. So she told me that was just her method to know if Prince was loyal. So she put that seed on him and he fell for it. So she knew it was him who sent the video. For me, I think like even though you want all the expenses to be repaid, and because now the fact that Mama is the one who filmed the video and sent it to somebody, can she guarantee that person did not send it to other people? Because these things can be fixed, but the thing is yeah, the thing is
Mama, the thing is, Mama, sorry, the thing is, first of all, I've spoke to Prince myself, and I've put some sense in him, because here was the thing, because if this thing could have been crazy, first of all, humanly, it was bad, it was wrong, and in the body of Christ, it is really wrong, you know. I wanted to put everything behind, being a man of God or whatever, and then take this matter to another level, to international human rights, so they can speak and talk to you guys in regards to that. And also trying to, like, I was really crazily mad trying to take this matter to a next level, because the Australian, government, they knew what Mama, why Mama went to, to Kinshasa, was to do the collaboration with that beast. I'm sorry to use the mythology. That's the way I'm just so really disappointed of him, And then we wrote all the application. His name is also in the Department of Immigration in Australia, so they know the reason why Mama went there. And if I am to put a complaint toward what happened to Mama, that guy will be in trouble everywhere that he goes. So if I am to put that, but because you are such a wise woman and you are talking to us peacefully and you try to find a solution toward that, that's why it cooled me down. And for the fear of God that I have, because as a man, I was so really, really mad and humanly to go to a next level, because I could have taken this to a next level. But, and I was waiting for the, for the action. What action will you guys take in order, to resolve this matter? But what pains me is me to hear that it was all the plan of Mama, because that can never happen and will never happen to be the plan of my wife, because she is an honorable woman. She has that dignity. She respects her marriage, even though she was defiled on that. But to put the story aside, to come back to your question, yes, everything is guaranteed, because I have spoken to those two parties in regard to that. So Prince assured me that no other ears or eyes will see the video.
Okay.
And secondly, in regard to the reason why Mama, did the video was to get, because that was really bad, and it was so defilement. And me, I'm really, really so really mad. But anyway, I just need everything to be done.
Yeah.
Peacefully.
Yeah.
And I just want everything to be done for my wife to, to return back that peace, mentally, spiritually, and physically.
Yeah.
In peace.
Mie nitafanya vile unaomba, nitapenda kuarrange ma meeting, tu vois, kuna kukulis iku, me itakuwa sipendi pia kusema information kubatu bote, unaona, me napenda tufanye solution. Et puis vile nalikuambia ki tomorrow nikalamuka pour ma 3 heures du temps hivi nitakuita comme ça tukue na kitu more tangible, you know, something tangible that we can discuss about. And also, I do understand the reason why I'm talking to you calm and I'm being understandable, because it's a situation which, as a Christian, we, you know, I think, and you are a pastor, this kind of situation has made so many people on the international level, or maybe in the body of Christ, not trust people of men of God. And for me, I said to Zawadi, I respect her because she doesn't want these things to come out, because first of all, for her own dignity, for her own daughters, because internet, the kids are gonna see things when they grow up, and I don't want her kids to go through that. And also for you, Papa, because as a man, it's something very, very, very hurtful that has happened.
It is, Mama.
Yeah,
and it will take a long time for me to recover, because it's something that, like, I don't know. I pray to God that for God to flush it out of my heart, even though I'm praying so hard. But it's something that it is a very bad memory in my life, and I pray that other people, they don't go through that, that kind of trauma, because to me it has traumatized me. But the only thing that is, sustaining me is only prayer.
Okay.
Because it is really bad. Me, Mama, I will tell you that it is really bad. I was really mad. And the person in picture was my, someone that I my role model, like in the music, in the worship industry. But he disappointed me. He slapped me in the face in the way that I cried out to God, but I know my God will pay. Yeah. It's so painful, Mama. So really painful to see those kind of things happening. Especially if I wasn't strong, Mama, it could have damaged my marriage. Yeah. And my 4 little daughters, they could have just go and just like that, without their father, close to them.
Yeah.
If it wasn't for the wisdom and the fear of God and for the mercy of God.
Yes, Papa. I thank you for trusting me with this matter. As I said, I'll call you in 3 hours. Please,
sure.
Please, Papa, I want your heart to be calm. Everything has a solution, and I really respect you a lot. I respect your decision, and I respect your anger, and I respect everything you're talking about. And just give me 3 hours, and then when I wake up in the morning, I will call you. You'll be the first person I call when God awakes me in the morning, so that we can find a solution to this. Okay, Papa?
Yes, sure, no worries, Mama. I'll be waiting for your call. Thanks so much. May God bless you and grant you more wisdom, and may God just bless you, Mama.
No problem, Papa. May the peace of God be with you. Okay?
Amen.
Okay, bye.
Hello, Zawadi. Zawadi, I call you 2 times. I don't want with my name. Everything you are writing to Tatapo is reaching out to me. Is reaching out to me. If you are planning anything for Mike to go back to work, plan it not with my name. Plan it not with my name. I don't want with my name. Everything that you are talking about there, about the owner of Majabu, the responsible of Majabu, I've never spoken to you. If you continue with my name in this mess, I did not take you 1, 2, 3 and bring you to and send you to Mike there. I did not take you to go and open your legs to Mike. I did not take you, my sister. I did not take you. Please, I don't want with my name. The God that I save is gonna fight and is gonna beat you hard. I don't play. I don't play. I pray a living God. I don't want you with my name in this mess. Zawadi, I've never spoken to you anything about Majabu owner and the wife. I've never spoken to you anything about the responsible of Majabu. I've never spoken to you about anything. And if you continue, I have all the recording of your calls. I'm not stupid. I was recording everything. I'm an IT technician. I've recorded every single conversation. Everything is recorded. And I'm gonna sue you with those details, with those evidence. I'm gonna sue you. Stop with my name if you want to live peacefully with your husband, with your men. Stop with my name. I did not ask you to send me any details of you sleeping with Mike. I did not ask you. You send by yourself. So if you send by yourself, I don't want you to mess with my name, talking all the time with my name. If you want to plan anything with Mike for you to get a job, please don't do it with my name. Don't do it. I'm gonna sue you because I have every detail recording how you were talking about Mike. You were talking about that family. You were talking about Majabu. I have everything. So don't.
Hello, Pasteur Prince. I'd like to apologize and say sorry for causing all this trauma. Like you said in the voice, no one forced me to open my legs. All I want to say is I'm sorry. I'm sorry for causing all this drama. I should have known better. I should have known.